This Zerillo Realty property video is presented by Giuseppe S. Zerillo. Spectacular main-level condominium located in the heart of Chicago's Taylor Street and UIC Medical District neighborhood. Huge living room and dining room area with beautiful hardwood flooring and sliding glass door leading directly to your private enclosed patio. The kitchen sparkles with the stainless steel appliances, 42 inches cabinets and gleaming granite countertops. Master bedroom includes large walk-in closet along with private full bathroom and 9 ceilings. Spacious second bedroom with walk-in closet and second bathroom just feet away. Unit has its own laundry hookups. Close to nightlife, downtown, along with expressways and public transportation. Garage parking included as well. For more information, review the details below or contact Giuseppe S. Zerillo at 708-583-8300.